Hi there! Welcome to Taiwan Mandarin with Mavis. Have you ever wondered how these little marks in Taiwanese Mandarin work? These are called Zhuyin or Bopomofo, and they help you pronounce Mandarin words accurately. We use this system specifically in Taiwan instead of Pinyin, which is widely used in the rest of the world for Mandarin learners. As for Zhuyin, some syllables are simple and others are made of initials, medials, and finals, and that's what we'll practice today in this video. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to recognize and pronounce all Zhuyin combinations. First, let's look at initial plus medial plus final, the most complete form. To make things simpler for you, we'll practice all the examples of conjugation in the first tone, so you don't have to worry about the tone differences. For the first example, let's start with initial P and glide into medial, E, and end with final, N, P, E, N, P, E, N, P, E, N, ping, ping, ping. Let's practice two more. K, U, ong, K, U, ong, K, U, ong, kong, Xi, I, ang, Xi, I, ang, Xi, I, ang, xiang. Repeat after me. Ping, 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 Kwong, kong, Kwong, kong, Xiang, 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 xiang. Next is initial plus final, no medial present. Let's look at these examples. B and attached final, A, B, A, B, A, B, ba. Let's practice two more. T, O, T, O, T, O, to, D, D, D. Repeat after me. Blah, ba, blah, ba, to, da, 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 da. Some syllables are just initial plus medial, where the medial acts as the main vowel. Use initial zh and glide into medial u, zh, u, zh, u, zhu, zhu. Let's practice two more. Qi, I, qi, I, qi, qi, la, yu, la, yu, la, yu, lu. Repeat after me. Zhu, 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 qi, 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 la, yu, lu, la, yu, lu. You might notice qi can never stand alone. Why is that? Qi is a palatal consonant and it needs a medial as a glide to form a complete syllable. Other palatal consonants are ji and xi. Some syllables have no initial and start with a medial. Let's look at these examples, how to combine them. The first example, start with the medial I and glide to the final ang, I, ang, I, ang, I, ang, yang. And we'll practice two more. U, ong, U, ong, U, ong, wong, U, an, U, an, U, an, yuan. Repeat after me. Yang, 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 wong, 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 yuan, 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 yuan. Some syllables are just a final, no initial or medial. Let's look at these examples. How to pronounce them. Simply say the vowel directly. A, me. Lastly, some syllables are just a medial sound. Let's look at these examples. How to pronounce them? Just say them directly. E, U, U. Repeat after me. E, U, Phew! That's all of the 6 types of conjugation in Zhuyin. I know it may be a little confusing right now, but review a couple times and they will come naturally. If you think this video was helpful, please share, like, and subscribe for more weekly Taiwanese Mandarin lessons. Bye, 下次见!